What's up, guys? Ryan with Glass of Detail here. Hey, we're going to show you some of the new parts we got for Coney. We're also going to get them ceramic coated. We explain the process as we go, and let's get started. We're going to get these mirrors painted today for Coney. Got them all taped off, got them wiped down. We're going to roll with it. We are going to get these panels ceramic coated and some of our lights and our wheels ceramic coated, so bear with me. So ceramic coating is awesome. You really can use it on pretty much anything. So we're going to coat these, and what ceramic coating does is it protects it from the sun. It's got UV protection up to 1400 degrees. It allows for easy cleaning, and nothing really sticks to it. So what's nice about doing the inside panels is you don't ever really have to worry about anything really sticking, and then the ease of maintenance. So like on an exterior of a car, it protects the coating and actually hardens the clear coat a little bit, takes it from a 2H to usually a 9H or a 10H. On the inside, a lot of guys do this for the ease of maintenance. So that's what we're going to do on these today. So I'm just wiping it down. I've already cleaned these panels. So what I'm doing now is I'm using a surface prep, which basically allows this to, it allows the ceramic coating to stick to it. And basically, we're just going to wipe it on, get it nice and coated, and wipe it off. So on a car, like on the exterior, you wait for it to flash. On the interior, you can't really tell when it flashes, so you just kind of coat it and wipe it off. Nothing real technical about it. The end result though is awesome. You get a little bit of shine that kind of stays there for a long time, and you get that UV protection, which in the desert you need. And then you get the ease of maintenance, which is also nice. If you guys are interested in having this done to your car, hit me up. I'll leave a contact info in the description. Thing about this though is you want to make sure that you are putting it on even, because if not, you'll notice where you missed. Not a big deal though, you can always go back and hit it. Okay, so now we're just gonna wipe it off. Kind of hard to see where you missed, but it adds a nice sheen to it. And these door panels are off an 05 F150. We're doing a series on our truck there. It's a 05 F150 with that we're kind of bringing back to life here. Now normally if you drop your towels on like the paint, or if you're doing the exterior of a car and you drop your towels, and you just get a new towel. When you're done ceramic coating what you need to coat, you always throw your towels out or use them for grease rags only, because they will scratch your paint afterwards. So what I'm doing now is I'm kind of looking for blotches and maybe areas that I missed, and it looks like this one turned out pretty good. So it's 24 hours before it can get wet, and 24 to 48 hours before it can get wet, and a week before you can wash it with any kind of chemical. Little background on me, guys. I have 24 years of detail experience. I started way back when we didn't have all this cool products. I learned on buffers that would burn stuff pretty much as soon as you touched them. These new buffers now are incredible. The technology that's come out is incredible. I never knew you could have a product that was one and done like a ceramic coat. So once it's on there, it's on there. Usually the way to remove a high quality ceramic coat is through wet sanding or heavy cut and polish. Now a good microfiber towel is usually all you need to wipe this stuff down. I prefer, I'm not sponsored by the way guys, but I prefer to go to Costco and get their microfiber towels. They are the nicest for the cheapest. And when you go through a lot, that does matter. Anytime you guys are detailing, light is always your best friend. If you can still see me. Sorry, I had my back to the camera. I'm new at this camera stuff. A little trick I do, I keep my right pocket is usually the rag that's the most contaminated, left pocket's the cleaner one, and then when it gets over contaminated, I chuck that one and then switch the one from my left pocket to my right pocket. Great system to help you stay organized while you're going, because a lot of times if you use a contaminated rag, you'll see it, it'll start leaving streaks. So it's a great thing to do. Have some kind of organization in that thing. We're on to our tail lights. Look at those things, man. Those are sexy. Woo! Same concept with these. These are small enough I can do 2 at a time. Nice thing though, when they're new, you can coat them off the truck. It's actually quite a bit easier. So again, just going to smear it evenly. I'm going to wait for it to flash. Now when ceramic flashes, it just means it's making a change. So you're waiting for it to change in some form or another, so you kind of keep an eye on it. And then once it starts to change, you know it's ready to wipe off. I think I can actually do this as well. Check out those new headlights, guys. Woo! They must work out. So nice even coats. A lot of times you want to go in like a grid-like pattern. Sometimes the product, depending on the temperature you're working in, flashes so quick you don't have time to do that. But most of the time you can. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's changed, so it's ready to wipe off. Just like that, this one's done. Yeah, that looks really good. Look at that, guys. Hey, they look like new. Next, we're gonna coat our wheels. What's cool about coating the wheels, soap and water takes off your brake dust. And I'll do a video of that when I wash my big truck. I've got Mac over there, my 06 F350. I'll do a video of that and show you the process there. And just like that, done. We're done. These are brand new. I don't really need to clean them. I'm just gonna wipe them down with rubbing alcohol. So just like everything else, we're just gonna coat it. If you're in the Southern Nevada, Southern Utah area and you want to get this stuff done, hit us up, we'll hook you up. Okay, so it's starting to flash, so we're gonna get this cleaned up. It's a lot easier to do these when they're new. You don't have to really worry about them being heavily scratched. Don't have to worry about getting the brake dust off, making them look shiny. So if you can do it when they're new and off the truck, that's the best way to go. If not, it's not a big deal, but it does save you a little bit of time and headache. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a couple things most people don't think about. So I've got my little bullet antenna. I've got my American flag, I don't know if you can see that, but my American flag valve stems. I'm gonna coat those because they do tend to fade. Okay, so we're just gonna coat this. It's on there pretty good. So these fade rather quickly, and especially out here in the hot sun. So I'm gonna coat these, and they'll always look that good. Just like that, that one's done. Get these wiped off. Boom. Oh, upside down, sorry.